Summer, a time we all want to have smooth, silky, soft, sexy summer skin. Hi, I'm Veronica and I'm a mindset shifter, a fuel style queen, and a lifestyle coach. And in today's video, we're going to go over the golden rules for summer skin. We're going to go through some tips that are easy to follow and incorporate into our daily routines so we're sure to have soft, smooth, sexy summer skin on those sun-soaked days of summer. Say that 10 times real fast. From staying hydrated to DIY hacks, stay tuned because we've got you covered for summer skin. The season of sun-soaked days, beach trips, water activities, and fun in the sun are here. And with the sun's golden rays comes the challenge of keeping our skin silky smooth and glowing. The combination of increased sun exposure, higher temperatures, and outdoor activities can put our skin at risk of damage and dehydration. In order to maintain healthy, glowing skin throughout the summer months, we've got some tips, ideas, and suggestions we want to share for summer care that will help us prepare for summer safety. Number 1, sun protectors. Using a sun protection product on the daily, like a broad spectrum sunblock with SPF 30, can be our everyday best defense for our faces, bodies, and especially those unexpected places like our ears, necks, tops of our hands, and tops of our feet. Check out my video called Fun in the Sunscreen and learn the differences between sunblock and sunscreen, what SPF and broad spectrum mean, and what healthy ingredients to look for. Wear cover-ups like big floppy hats and big sunglasses, lightweight long sleeve shirts, and scarves. These can be style statements and essential sun shields. So not only can we embrace the boho summer vibes, we can protect our skin at the same time. Take cover under a tall tree, in a cabana, or under a large umbrella after 10 a.m. up to 4 p.m. Why? Because this is when the sun's rays are the strongest. And make sure there's plenty of space under the shade for everyone, including our beloved fur babies. Number 2, hydration. The key to youthful, plump skin is hydration. Drink water, water, and more water. Spring water is our best choice, and we need to aim for about 8 glasses of water a day, every day. Make water drinks interesting by infusing them with some slices of cucumber, lemons, berries, and herbs for a refreshing twist. And when we participate in summer physical activities, go for coconut water, which is nature's sports drink because it's packed with electrolytes, and that keeps our skin hydrated and glowing. Another way of staying hydrated is to drink our fuel. Make a smoothie, a green drink, or a juice using water-dense foods like watermelon, cucumbers, leafy greens, citrus, and berries. This way, these foods help us hydrate from the inside out. Number 3, eat clean and eat green. What we consume shows on our skin, and by eating healthy fuel, we can eat our way to radiant summer skin. And here's how. Use dark leafy organic greens and high antioxidant berries in our summer salads to help protect our cells from free radical damage, and that helps to keep our skin smooth and fights anti-aging and wrinkles. Eating super salads helps us stay away from greasy, heavy foods that can lead to breakouts, dull, and bumpy skin. Eat healthy fats like avocados and nuts, especially walnuts and almonds, which help fight free radicals, keeping our skin youthful and fresh looking. Vitamin C is for summer. Eat plenty of citrus fruits, bell peppers, and believe it or not, broccoli. They are all loaded with vitamin C, which boosts collagen production for firmer skin. Number 4, skincare. Our winter skincare routine for our body and face needs a summer makeover. Here's how to switch it up. Sweat, sunblock, sunscreen, and makeup clog our pores. By using gentle, non-drying, alcohol-free, and fragrant-free cleansers twice a day, morning and night, we keep our skin clean and fresh. Exfoliating once or twice a week, not daily, we slough off our dead skin cells and keep our skin clean, smooth, and glowing. Over exfoliating can strip our delicate skin of its natural and necessary oils. Summer is the time to swap out our heavy winter creams and balms with light gel and cream moisturizers. Look for hydrating ingredients like hyaluronic acid that provides moisture deep into our cells for extra plumpness and firmness. And if we get a nasty sunburn, use an aloe vera gel or cut a leaf from an organic aloe vera plant if you have one, and put the gel on the sunburn. It's a natural way to keep our skin cool and hydrated, and it's the best cure for a sunburn. Number 5, summer hacks. When the heat is on, these summer hacks will keep our skin calm, cool, and collected. Try this cooling and refreshing facial. Peel a cold organic cucumber, make a cucumber salad that you can eat later, and then use the peels and the ends for your face and for your eyes. Massage the cool cucumber peels into your face and place the cucumber ends on your eyes and just relax. By doing this, you can reduce puffiness and refresh our skin at the same time. Another healthy hack is to make a green tea mist. Brew some organic green tea, let it cool, and pour it into a spray bottle. Use it as a refreshing facial mist and spritz it on throughout the day. My personal favorite is an Irish sea moss mask. Irish sea moss is a miracle superfood because it's super rich in vitamin C. Grab some Irish sea moss from a health food store or order it online. Soak it until it's fully rehydrated, which is actually fun to watch. Rinse and add it to a high-speed blender with some spring water. Blend it until it's rich and creamy and use the rich cream as a mask. And P.S. you can also put it in your smoothies and green drinks. Another hack is to add some Epsom salts with a little baking soda into our bath. This helps soothe and heal our skin and sore muscles from all that beach volleyball and pickleball. Number 6, summer vibes. By maintaining positive vibes only and having a positive attitude and mindset and self-love go a long way. Our skin reflects our inner happiness and health. So let's embrace summer and every day with a positive mindset. Check out our video on self-love. Practice mindfulness and relaxation, such as meditation or do yoga. We reduce our stress and promote our overall well-being, which reflects on our skin. Check out our blog on benefits of shifting our mindset. Both links are in the description below. Smile and laugh. Have fun in the sun. Smiling and laughter reflects our inner joy on the outside. And this boosts circulation, stomach muscle tightening from all the laughing, and gives our skin a natural glow. Check out our video on finding fun. Practice self-care and make them a ritual. By treating ourselves to regular self-care, Whether it's a DIY spa day at home, reading a book, a pampering facial, or riding our bike, pampering ourselves will reflect outwardly on our skin. Check out our video on holistic hacks. We have more summer tips and summer must-haves and summer fun and flirt ideas and sound summer sleep suggestions in our Summer Skin blog. The link is in the description below. Achieving and maintaining smooth, silky, soft, sexy summer skin is a blend of protection, nourishment, mindfulness, and smart habits, rules, and rituals. With tips like these and the ones in our blogs, we can glow from head to toe. Our skin is a reflection of our overall health, wellness, and happiness. Treating the skin we're in with respect, care, and self-love will help our summer skin shine. Thanks so much for watching this video. I hope that I have inspired you to take care of your skin, especially in the summer sun. Please share this video with your friends and family who might benefit from radiant summer skin. Eat healthily, drink healthily, and take care of the skin you're in. I want to thank you so much for watching this video. It means the world to me. And if you're interested in more info on how to live a delicious life, subscribe to this YouTube channel. Want to learn in depth? Want to learn how to transition to a healthier plant-based fuel stock? Want to get coached by me? Check out my online resources and contact information in the description below. I'm going to be putting more mindset, fuel style, and lifestyle videos absolutely free on this channel that you can access without a subscription. It's time to take your health to the next level. And it's time to take it up a notch so you can change your game. Thanks again for watching. Follow me on Instagram. I'm Veronica, and have a raw amazing day.